నమస్తే అండి. టీఎస్పీఎస్సీ గ్రూప్ 1 మెయిన్స్ ఆన్సర్ రైటింగ్ డే 18. ఈరోజు ఓరియంటేషన్ చూసినట్లయితే క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసినట్లయితే అనలైజ్ ద కాజెస్ ఆఫ్ 1857 రివోల్ట్. 1857 revolt. This revolt completely changed British administration in India. Before 1857 revolt, that was complete controlled by the East India Company. East India Company policies responsible for the 1857 revolt. Right, East India Company involved in the trade and they started involved in the politics. Okay, they involved in the politics and try to control the kingdoms, ministers, economy. So and finally they try to control the kingdom, Bengal, Mysore, etc., etc. So many Indian kings joined in the revolt. We have so many reasons. First, you need to write political causes as a side heading. Again, that you have to mention doctrine of lapse. We have to mention doctrine of lapse. If any king had no natural successors, the dynasty captured by the British. Right? This is the policy introduced by the Lord Dalhousie in 1848. And you need to discuss about subsidiary alliance system. Subsidiary alliance system. Lord Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance system. Right? This system gave a chance to British to control internal politics of local kings. Actually, they says that they are not going to involve in the internal politics, but technically they control internal politics. Not even, not even a tender cannot remove by the ఇండియన్ కింగ్స్. ఒక అటెండర్ని తీసేయాలన్నా భారతీయ రాజులకి కష్టమైపోయింది. బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళ పర్మిషన్ అవసరం ఏర్పడింది. బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళ అవసరం ఏర్పడిందనమాట. అట్ సో మెనీ కింగ్స్, ఝాన్సీ, నాగ్పూర్, సతారా, దిస్ ఆల్ కింగ్స్ లాస్ట్ their kingdoms, so they'll voluntarily join in the revolt. Kings who lost their kingdoms, to get back their kingdoms, they join in the revolt. And second important is economic reasons. British destroyed India. 1813 Charter Act, 1833 Charter Act, 1833 Charter Act. These acts destroyed Indian traditional industries, and British imperial policies, British economic policies demolished traditional Indian business. Artisans lost their employment. Poets, dancers all lost their employment. And okay, for example, Britishers captured a kingdom. For example, Britishers captured Jhansi. Britishers captured Jhansi. Captured Jhansi means they are capturing total army. Okay, already British are having army, so the disband army of British Jhansi. So these army became unemployees. Okay, every Indian king encouraged poets, dancers, etc., etc. So poets, dancers, painters, musicians all lost a job. So unemployment increased. Agriculture became burden. So these are the another reason for the revolt. And social and religious causes. Social and religious causes. British introduced several acts to reform the society. Religious acts, society acts. Okay, Sati Abolition Act, Widow Remarriage Act, okay, Untouchability Removal Act, Infanticidal Removal Act, okay, Infanticidal Abolition Act. These acts created tensions among Indians conservatives who are against the progressive ideologies. They thought that they may destroy Indian religions like Hinduism, like Islam. 1813 Charter Act, 1813 Charter Act allowed Christian missionaries to promote Christianity. They became scared. And each and every corner Christian missionaries went. They try to control society, and they try to change the people into Christianity. To protect the religion, to protect the society, conservatives joined in the 1857 revolt. And we have military causes. In military, Indians having no respect. Indians called sepoys, Britishers called soldiers. Both are having same work. Both are having same work. Indians get less salary. European soldiers got a high salary. Indians who is having more experience get less promotions. Britishers who is having less experience, they will get more promotions because they are British. Again, promotions, in salary, in respect, every area they show the discrimination. So these military men discriminated. They were fed up with the British. They tried to revolt, but they did not revolt at the starting because they need regular salary. Indian kings failed to pay regular salary. Britishers paid regular salary. And introduction of Enfield rifle, introduction of Enfield rifle, you have to write. Introduction of Enfield rifle triggered the revolt. Enfield rifle triggered the revolt. And you need to mention one more point, right? You need to mention one more point, that is uh, general service enlistment act. General service enlistment act. As per this act, if anyone who join in as a soldier, you have to work anywhere in the world. You have to work anywhere in the world, రైట్. దానివల్ల ఏమైందంటే ప్రతి ఎక్కడికి పంపించిన వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్యాస్ట్ సిస్టమ్. యాజ్ పర్ ధర్మశాస్త్రాస్, as per dharma shastras, if you cross ocean they lose the caste. To protect your caste sentiments, you should not cross the ocean. They requested Britishers to not to send outside country, but that was not possible. Okay. Enfield rifle was the immediate cause of 1857 revolt. You have to mention these all points, then you will get good marks. Thank you.